The 3 individuals arrested by the Forest Department and the police on the charge of burning forest fire at leiba Kangla Hills and the Thobal Police Divisions have been sent to jail. The persons arrested by the staff of the Thobal Forest Range and Khongjom Police were produced before the CJM Thobal on March 15 and later remanded to police custody for 6 days. The trio were again produced before the CJM Thobal on Tuesday and remanded to judicial custody till April 4th. The accused who have been sent to jail are Ningsen Mosang, 52 years, son of Led N.G. Thani, Singlai Raisang Singh, 27 years, son of S. Wangsung Mai, and Simpari Tochan, 26 years, son of T.S.H. Tama Singh, all residents of Mumlo Ringpang village in Technopol district. Notably, on March 14, Thobal Control Room received report of a fire outbreak at Kangla Chingdol on Tuesday around 3:30 p.m. Immediately, teams of Khongjom police stations along with fire tender of Thobal police rushed to the spot and put off the fire by around 5 p.m. During the fire accident safety operations, 3 individuals suspected to have caused the wildfire were detained. Upon further questioning, the trio revealed that the fire accident happened when they ignited dry grasses while collecting honey from beehives in the forest. Police also seized one black-colored Bajaj Pulsar 180 MN02 AD 5752 from the foothill of the fire accident.